Custom exhaust systems are transforming vehicles by enhancing their sound and performance, captivating car enthusiasts everywhere. These systems start with the precise engineering of headers, pipes, and mufflers to optimize exhaust flow, resulting in improved engine efficiency. Enthusiasts often choose high-grade stainless steel and titanium materials for durability and weight reduction. Moreover, the signature growls and roars of these custom exhausts are achieved through intricate design, producing a resonant sound that reflects personal style. This fusion of performance and artistry not only boosts vehicle power, but also creates an auditory statement on the road, appealing to the automotive passion of tech-savvy individuals.